This is what I have to put up with every Saturday morning.
That was another side for you. Today's game day again on week 2. And we were trying to think what we'd like to fix this week, and Phil and I started talking about it, and he's decided he wanted to do some fajitas. So I said, well, I'll do a taco salad to go with that. And this is a little bit more to taco salad than what you probably normally think of. We're going to have a head of lettuce that's chopped, and we've got the veggies, diced tomatoes, probably about 4 or 5 diced tomatoes. These are Roma size, so if you have other, you probably want to cut down on that. Got a Vidalia onion sliced, 1 carrot shredded, cucumbers, and I'm going to add to that some red kidney beans and black olive sliced. So I'm going to brown about a pound and a half to 2 pounds of hamburger meat, and add some taco seasoning to that. So that's what we're going to do next, and then I'll show you how to put hamburger meat. I'm putting a little oil in here, and we're going to add this and start browning. Hamburger meat browned, and I drained it, and I added 1 package of taco seasoning mix, and I just used the original, but you can make it as hot as you would like. It's up to you. And now we're going to just put everything together. So now we're going to combine. You need a really big bowl for this, okay? So you want to put your lettuce in and put all the veggies in. I'm going to do tomatoes, carrots. Okay, and we'll put the cucumbers in now. And then the red kidney beans. And this makes it so colorful, and it not only tastes good, but it looks good. And some black olives. And all that's been drained, by the way. Be sure to drain your beans and the olives really good. And we'll put the onions in, and this is a Vidalia sweet onion. You could use this, or you could use green onions if you would like that. And now I'm going to put a Mexican blend of cheeses. This is 4 different cheeses. Just put all that in there, and we're going to toss this. This some before I put the meat in there too. Kind of get it together. It's a beautiful salad, and it tastes good. And this feeds a lot of people, so you know, you've got a crowd coming. So you see how full this bowl is and how beautiful the color is. All right, we'll keep incorporating all this together, and then I'll show you how we put the dressing together, and this really tops it off great. It's just so tangy and good. So I can't wait to show you that. We'll be back. Put just taco salad dressing together now, and it's real easy, but it's just so flavorful. This is a cup of salsa. You can use whatever brand you like. This is Pace Chunky Salsa. It's the medium, and we have a cup of Italian dressing. And 3/4 cup of Catalina dressing. And you just pepper to taste, whatever you like, how much you like. just stir that up. Now, what you can do with this, you can put this on the the whole taco salad right away if you're going to serve it right away. But if you're going to wait, I would wait till just before serving to put it all on there. Now, you can serve it on the side, which is also good. People can put as much as they want. So you can kind of do that the way you want to. But if you're serving a big crowd right away, you can just put the whole thing together and it will, you know, work. But like I said, don't do it till just before you serve it, because you don't want it to get soggy. Okay, so I'm going to serve up some of this salad, and it looks great. And I'm going to put some of this delicious dressing over it. And you can serve this with Tostito chips or scoop Fritos with it. You can eat it on the side, or you can crunch them on top of the salad, which is Fritos on top.
All right, so you're doing the Fritos.
Mm-hmm. This gives it a little extra crunchiness. So now, let's go in for a taste test on this. Oh, great. Got all those flavors together, and the dressing is so tangy and spicy. And you can put the salsa as hot as you like. I've just got a mild, medium salsa, but if you want it hotter, you can do it. So it's up to you. So that's my taco salad today for game day. Hope your team wins.